Abeegi barikurenga omutwaro gumwe n'enkumi 2 nibo bahendera emishomo yaabo ahari Kyambogo University obwe barikujwara za degree na za diploma omu mashomo gatari gamwe na gamwe. Omukoro ogu gwakorwa minisita w'ebyemishomo y'amatendekero g'ahaiguru John Kristo Muyingo.
The university has a very ambitious staff development program and supports many members of staff in their PhDs and master's studies. I'm glad to note that between the last graduation and now, 13 members of staff have attained their PhDs in a number of disciplines.
I would like to take this opportunity also to thank the best student in the event today, Ms. Zaituni Nakadu. You are demonstrating girl power. Congratulations.
Okurugirira hari mukuru wa University Professor Eric Tunguka yagira ngo ogu n'omurundi gwo kubanza Kyambogo University okujweka abeegi bingi okwihana etandika.
The university continues to grow in stature and size and has attained international recognition. We continue to receive numerous requests for either bilateral collaboration or joining consortia to write grant proposals to attract funding from international organizations.
Yasima abazira habo kuhanda bunaku okushomesa abana babo okujweka abeegi ahitendekero erikwatandika eriizooba kandi nokuza kumara ebiro 3 aha kashozi Kyambogo. Minisita Muyingo yashaba obwebembezi bwa Kyambogo University okutamana omu kushomesa ebya science. Hariho abahendera emishomo yaabo abaganiraho na TV West.
I want to thank my parents for taking an effort to pay for me my tuition. I'm glad I'm here today.
Gashakwa Damba Tadeo